has fallen.
Man has fallen.
Has popular headwood. Lego City has fallen into the river in rescue helicopter. A new man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue. Wait. Man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Man has fallen into the river in Lego City. And make the man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Has fallen into the river in Lego City. Popular headwood. Yeah. As popular weeks are ruined at night. Man has fallen into the new cargo truck. The doors. Wreck the new rescue helicopter. Yeah. Man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new huge cargo train and powerful engine. To the river. Man has fallen. Man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue helicopter. Hey!
I wish I might have just one little thing. Oh, would you please finally bring me that tiny glass? Oh.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new...
Hey guys, it's me, Flying Gorilla, from my new app on the App Store, Flying Gorilla. It's a free download, so I hope you check it out, and I...
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Man has fallen into the new rescue helicopter.
Sub-freezing temperatures would crush and entomb him, leaving no evidence.
Megatron
has fallen into the river in Lego City. The helicopter.
And into her own reflection she stared, yearning for one whose reflection she shared.
Duncan has fallen into the river in Lego City. Build the helicopter. Has popular headwood. Yeah. Man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue helicopter. Hey! Build the helicopter. And off to the cube.
Scream!
Wreck the new rescue helicopter. Now fell to the man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start nuts. Is this nuts? From Lego City.